the next 60 seconds.
For the next 60 seconds.
This station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system.
This is only a test.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system.
The broadcasters in your area have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If you got an email from Uncle Harold telling you it's the Chinese using 5G cellular technology to turn on a switch in your COVID vaccine, then I suggest you put your pacifier back in and keep listening.
And